This is the Soul Light Infusion Meditation. This is a powerful soul healing meditation to mend fractures in the soul that have collected throughout the years as you experienced hardships, losses, betrayal, broken trust, and times of being misunderstood. Or if you fought battles against injustice in your life and lost. Or if you feel you have lost a piece of your soul and you are searching to get it back. Now let's begin the meditation. Find yourself a safe, comfortable place to lie down. If you need to do this meditation while sitting up, that will work fine. Once you are in a relaxing position, close your eyes. Now take a deep breath in and release. On the count of 3, take another deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Deep breath in and release. Envision a tall staircase in the distance. You start heading in the direction of the staircase. A misty fog starts to roll in. Do you see the fog? You still see the staircase in the distance. You keep walking in that direction. It's getting closer. You are almost there. A few more steps. You are now at the bottom of the staircase looking up. Now take a deep breath in and release. There are 21 steps to the top of the staircase. Do you see them? We are going to count each step together as you climb the staircase. Place your foot on the first step. That is 1. Now place your other foot on the step above that step. That is 2. As you are climbing the staircase in the fog, do any of these numbers have meaning for you? Now let's climb the rest of the steps together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You're now at the top of the staircase. A door appears. Do you see the door? It is a portal a gateway. Now take a deep breath in and release. Grab the doorknob and open the door to this portal. The door is now open. You enter into a dark, wide open space. There's no floor underneath you. You are floating in space. Can you feel yourself floating? When you look up and around, you see glittering stars in the far distance. Look straight ahead. There's a ball of light heading your way. Do you see the light? Now get ready and put your hand out. You're going to catch the light. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Now grab onto it. You're now holding this light. Now bring the light up to your forehead and push it in. And let it enter your soul. Another light in the distance is heading your way. The light is coming closer to you. Get ready to catch it with your hand. 3, 2, 1. Grab onto it. You're now holding this light. How does it feel to hold on to this light? Bring the light up to your forehead and push it in. And let it enter your soul. There's another light in the distance heading your way. Do you see it? This light is brighter and larger. You need to catch this light with both hands. The light is getting closer and closer to you. Get ready to catch it. 3, 2, 1. Grab onto it with both hands. Do you see how beautiful this light is in your hands? It's a warm, soothing, comforting light. Part of you is in this light. This part of you is pure, untouched, uninjured, and has been kept safe. Now bring the light up to your forehead and push it in and let it enter your soul. Do you feel the light inside your soul? Now take a deep breath in and release. On the count of 3, take another deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Deep breath in and release. Now it's time to leave this space and head back to the portal doorway. The door is still open. Are you there yet? Are you standing at the top of the staircase? Now grab the doorknob and close the door behind you. The portal is now closed. It's time to descend back down the staircase, one step at a time. Let's count together with each step you take. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in and release. You can now open your eyes. You have now completed the Soul Light Infusion Meditation. Any fractures within your soul are now being processed of mending. As fractures mend, your soul is healing. Your soul is complete now and not missing precious lost pieces that may have pushed away from you in times of struggles, loss, and hardships. Your spiritual force as light being in this world has elevated. Old wounds from the past will not have a grip upon your soul as they once did. No one owns your soul but you, and you have every right to heal your soul. Feel free to repeat this meditation daily or as many times as needed to bring peace and healing to your soul.